Who is it?
Hey, it's me.
I'm not sure what to say.
Easy. So easy. Just say that you missed me as much as I missed you.
I'm Elena.
I'm Damon.
I don't remember us.
I do.
Do you see a future with me? Because that's all I see.
She loved you too much, and it was killing her.
I want you to take away Damon. I want you to compel me to forget that I ever loved him. He's Stefan's brother. He was a monster. Then he died.
I never would have erased everything we ever had. Even if I was drowning in grief, I'd rather hang on to every moment that I ever held you, or every laugh that I ever heard, every shred of happiness that we ever had. I would rather spend every moment in agony than erase the memory of you. You wanted to show me this meteor shower, so I drove out in the middle of nowhere. And the moment those shooting stars started to fall, rain, lots of rain. I took your hand.
It started to rain, and then what happened, Damon?
You were miserable, so we got in the car and we drove home.
Promise me this is forever.
I promise. I love you, Elena. Enough to let you go. I need you to live your life. Be happy. You're better off without me.